What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'm about to show you how to do this Afro dance I uploaded on my birthday. Recently, I uploaded this dance video on my Instagram page and it's really making wave. So based on request, I decided to make this tutorial for those who really want to do this dance. So this dance is actually very simple and it's a dance for the Asake dance challenge I joined on my birthday. So the title of the music is actually Lady by Asake and it's been promoted online now, so you can go check it out. So the dance move I used is very simple. So before we actually incorporate our rope, I'd like you to learn the main dance. So the first thing I did there was actually throw and catch my handle. That I shall give a separate tutorial on that because that takes a long time for you to learn. So you just have to drop your hand on the ground and pull it to catch something like this. If I get it right, bam, and you do it like that. So I'll try to make a separate tutorial for that to make it simple for you to learn. Then from that, I kind of like do my normal boxer step. Then I started twisting out, twisting in, twisting out, then I jump backward. I do the same twist, out, in, out, then I jump backward. So it will look something like this: 1, 2, 3, and you go back. 1, 2, 3, and you go back. So after that sequence, you now do this walk dance. The first, you have to like move your shoulder and your back. You go front, 2, 3, and you now jump backwards. Second time, you have to like shake your head. 1, 2, 3, then you jump backward. Make sure you're making these 3 counts to make sure everything moves correctly for you. So you have to do that like 4 times, then you enter the Shaka dance. Remember, I'm doing the Shaka dance with the jump rope, so you have to like raise your leg up high to make this dance, to make sure you clear your foot for the rope to pass. So you do something like this, then you kind of move 2 times with your leg. So to make this thing look very like it adds some swag or spice to this move, you have to like move your body as if you're actually pulling yourself or dragging yourself along. So to do it, you do something like this. You kind of understand the move. So after that, I kind of do this twisting out, twisting in, twisting out. Like you do it from side to side actually, but since my camera is fixed right now and I don't really want to move it to kind of make this footage a little shaky, so I kind of restrict my movement. So what you do is make sure you count according to the beat. You kind of twist in, out, twisting out to the end, you know, end with your leg kicking out kind of. Then you do the same thing. So that's basically what you should be doing. Then apart from that, another leg work would be this. Like, so this one is kind of tricky. I need to take it sometimes to actually perfect with the jump rope. So let me see if I can do a few with the jump rope. After learning all this, then we can unlearn it. So before I actually incorporate the rope, let me do this last footwork again, so you can get like a bit of what I'm actually doing with the rope. Pardon me, I can't remember the name of that footwork right now. So remember our first sequence after the boxer step, like after trying to catch, oh, that was a mess. I have to give you a side view this time, sorry. So from the boxer step, you kind of twist in, twist out, twist in, jump, twist in, twist out, twist in, jump, twist in, twist out, twist in, jump. So you have to like bend over to make the thing look as if you're dancing with the rope. So if you have to like bend, hunch your back forward again. So it will be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, like that. Sorry, I'm tripping on the rope now, kind of getting tired. So after that, it will be this 3 step forward while you shake your back, then you jump backward. So you do something, then you jump, then you shake your head, do your back again, you go back. I'm kind of restricting my movement. That's why it's really looking sluggish and not really fluid now. So now the next step will be the Shaka Shaka, and it's something like this. You do it. So make sure you are moving your body as if you're dragging along to make it look actually like you're dancing. So after the Shaka Shaka dance, so after doing the Shaka Shaka dance with the rope, the next thing now is to do this open and close while kicking out to your left or to your right. So I'll still restrict my movement and I'll do my counting to 3 before I kick out. So from this position, I kind of move. 1, 2. So it's that simple. Make sure you're adding the swag to make it look like you're dancing with the rope. That way it will actually look like a rope. Now to the most challenging part of this move before I show you the last move, which I almost forgot, which is the moonwalk. Remember, it's something like this. Now the trick of this move is that you have to regulate the speed of your hands. Like your whip has to be very, very slow while you do your footwork. So it will be something, you understand? So I told you it's kind of tricky. It took me a very long time to learn it to this extent, and it's still a trick I'm working on. So when you do it, shake your upper body, give us that awesome smile so that it will look as if you're not really stressing yourself and the whole thing becomes sweet. So the last one will be just as if you're doing the up and Gangnam style trick or dance. So it will be something like this. Then while you do it for a while, you kind of tilt one of your side forward. That is when you're facing the camera. But I can't really face it now because of the limited environment I have here, and it's kind of restricting my movement. So you do something like this, then you kind of tilt your body forward as if you're doing an Indian kind of dance, and it should be like this with the rope. I'll do, then I'll kind of start tilting forward. So that's how. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Leave comment below if you like to see this kind of tutorials from us here at LOfitnez. Share with your friends who is trying to learn the dance rope, or anyone at all wants to have fun with the jump rope. So until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.
My lady, my lady, no be a shower. My lady, my lady, go. I'm to sora. Your baga, oh gaga. Go carry mata, hey, let me load. And I go spoil you with all of my money. I love you. Nothing can make me change my mind. Cause I need you. Nothing can make me change my mind. Mama tiro mo mama mi to mama kemi ibadiyan o fe fi to mi Ọlọ́run lo mama show mi èmi olola de ti de Mr. Money big boy so fresh in a Bentley ọmọ dúdú ọmọ pa wọn fẹ́ mi I'm a woke up in the gang in Miami o ṣe